Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create video shorts on CapCut PC from like your long videos. So they have to be a minimum of 3 minutes. So just go to your homepage and select AI clip shorts here. Select the video that you want, and you're going to set the duration for your shorts. For instance, you want it to be 60 seconds long or 60 to 90 long, or 90 to 3 minutes long. So I'm just going to select I'm going to select the 60 to 90 seconds, and then I'm just going to press get shorts, and I'm going to select allow, and it's going to upload this, and it's going to create basically shorts from the video that you have, and now you can upload it as a short because they have like shortened the video from 3 minutes to however many seconds you chose. I'm so sorry, I don't know what's wrong. But I'm just going to wait for it to upload and wait for it to convert, and I will be right back because I think it's gonna take quite a long time to process. Alright, so this is the final product. Let me just resize this, and you can select either this one or this one. Just review the video first here. There's also captions as well. You can select the caption style and edit them here if you wanted to. I'm just going to leave it like this. Actually, I'm just going to use this one, but you're basically just going to select the one that you want. You have two options here, sorry, and you can save as projects so you can edit it a little bit more here, but I think I'm just going to straight away export it, and you can also change the text here as well. But again, I'm just going to export it as a video short. I'm going to turn off caption exporting as well, and I'll just select export. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!